Hey there, Chris Bench, essay coach for HelloCollege, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about creating a unified story with your essays. So, it is entirely likely that as you apply to college, you're going to have to write the Common App personal statement. That is the main 650-word essay that goes off to the overwhelming majority of different schools to which you apply. But also that you're going to have to write supplemental essays. And those supplemental essays can be on any topic, but two of the most common topics ask you to discuss a activity that you've participated in, oftentimes an extracurricular, and also to explain why you want to go to a particular school. It's good to, right out of the gate, try to figure out a way to make those three different essays tell a unified story. One where it all points in the same direction and seems to represent a person with a unified set of interests. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to be saying the same thing in each essay. Quite to the contrary, you want to avoid repeating yourself. But you do want to make sure that those essays relate to one another. So if you are applying to be a studio art major, maybe you want your personal statement to discuss what a creative individual you are. And for your activities, perhaps you want to talk about how you painted murals at an elderly folks' home. And then when you talk about why this college essays, you want to look for what are classes that could relate to your interest in art. So you could talk about studio art, but maybe also talk about art history. Maybe also you are interested in sculpture and using unusual materials. So you want to take a material science course along the way in order to better understand how to create sculptures using novel, different materials. You want these essays to relate to each other, to represent a coherent picture of an individual. Right out of the gate, try to strategize a way to make those three main essays, your personal statement, your activities essay, and your why this college essay, relate to one another and communicate who you are and what your goals are.